She never felt any pain in her body again after drinking this. My wife had a lot of body aches, especially after she turned 35 years old. What about you? Do you feel any pain in your body? Which part of your body does it bother you the most? On the legs, knees, arms, or back? Already tell me in the comments. And this amazing recipe has only 4 ingredients that are very easy to find, and you probably already have it at home. And the main ingredients in this recipe will be pineapple. If you want to give your body a boost in health and pain management, the essential ingredient is pineapple. Its consumption reduces pain, swelling, damage, and trauma related to sports and even surgery. As this ingredient speeds up the healing process, alleviates the symptoms of gastrointestinal disorders, and helps in the healing of gastric ulcers. Pineapple also provides a lot of vitamin C, an excellent antioxidant that boosts immune system. And this fantastic recipe is an excellent choice for breakfast or afternoon snack. And before knowing the recipe and how to use it, an important message. Facebook only delivers our tips and recipes to those who are interacting with our page. And what is it to interact? It's the one who likes, comments, and shares. So if you haven't already, do it now so you're always getting our tips firsthand. Also take this moment and put which city you're watching us from. That way I can say hello and send you a big hug. You will need 2 slices of pineapple, 5 units of pitted prunes, 1 ripe banana, 1 tablespoon of honey, 300 milliliters of water, and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Cinnamon is completely optional. And all of these ingredients mixed together provide nutrients that will help strengthen your joints and ease the body's pain. Put all the ingredients in a blender and turn on the appliance for 5 minutes. And if you've made it this far, it's because you like this type of video. Leave your like and comment, I want it. So I'll know if you liked it to bring more recipes like this. For knee and joint pain, this drink can be consumed every day until your pain is gone. And ideally you have a glass in the morning on an empty stomach as soon as you wake up. But if you want to take it just for prevention, take it 2 to 3 times a week, which is enough. My friends, that was our tip for today. And if you liked it, don't forget to like and share it with all your friends. Doing so makes this information so valuable to reach more people. A hug, and until the next recipe.